everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Oprah's having a great day. We went to Hudson Bay today and I got something in the mail. So I have a couple of unboxings, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first one is actually a reveal, and these are Ted socks. These are from Hudson Bay. They're having 35% off. So there's 3 pair basically, men's socks. They're $20 and we got them for $14. So they're nice, like dress socks. And this one is called Black and Brown from 1826. So those are nice. You got the same thing, black and brown, but just in like different patterns. So if you're up by Hudson Bay in Canada and your husband or boyfriend or friend or brother, whoever, needs some men's socks, these are pretty nice actually for $14. I mean, you can't really beat that. And these are the same, black, brown, 1826, and these are like in a blue shade, which is pretty cool. Alright. So that's Ted's unboxing or reveal.
Finally got something.
Alright, here's my blade. Alright, let's see what I got here. Okay, this is a brand new item from Disney. I found this on eBay, never used, brand new, and it was half the price. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you'd be so kind to subscribe, I'd appreciate that, because when I reach 500, I'm going to do a giveaway. So make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And that's at least once or twice a week. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's still in the bag. Now make sure this is not a toy, so just be aware. Alright, still has the tags on them. This is from Dooney and Bourke. So I got this, the tags. Alright, this is like a little wristlet. It's got Mickey and Minnie on the front, Dooney and Bourke, Walt Disney World with little balloons on the back. So this is all leather. And the inside has the stuffing. And it has the registration card. Alright, so that's my little unboxing and reveal for today. I'll leave some pictures on Instagram, so make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.